Even though this is a newest style of climbing, I'm still old school. I foot lock up my rope instead of using ascenders. I prefer the workout. And it warms me up for when I get in the tree and start working. My name's Kirk Huffey. I work on the grounds crew and I'm the arborist for the college. The climbing you'll see me do in this tree is called single rope or stationary rope climbing technique. It's one of the main ways I climb through these large canopies on the campus. And hopefully next year we'll be able to gather in a group and I can do a live climbing demonstration for people who would like to see that. Happy Arbor Day and stay well, stay healthy. Thank you.